Welcome to this tutorial for Cisco Cybervision. Let's have a look at the possibilities to work with the data in your center using presets. Your Cybervision Center will present you a lot of highly dimensional data. It describes the communication structure between assets in your network, as well as the characteristics for the assets and their communication. This very quickly will lead to a lot of detailed metadata. To allow for an efficient access to your data focusing on certain aspects, Cybervision offers you a functionality called presets. A preset is a pre-configured view on your data. It will filter the full dataset for certain aspects, related to any of the characteristics they have, or behavior they showed while communicating. Your Cybervision Center comes with a set of built-in presets to get you started. First, let's have a look at the predefined presets in the center. After logging into your center, click on Explore. You will see many tiles, or panels. Each of them is a preset, with its own filter criteria. If you click on any of them, you will see the data that relates to the filters defined in the preset. The easiest to understand is the All Data preset, since it is not selective at all. It will just show you all your data. These presets are provided to you by Cybervision, simply because they characterize the most predominant searches and make it easy for you to get started. Click on the All Data preset. Accessing a preset will show you the data that complies with the preset's filter criteria. You can look at the data on this dashboard, or you can change the way the data is shown to you by selecting a different option on the drop-down menu on the top. No matter which option you select, the data shown to you will always be the data within the criteria of the preset filters you look at. The data provided to you divides into several parts. On the top, you will see an aggregation of the count metrics for the preset. You will find the risk score, the number of devices and components, as well as information regards vulnerabilities, events, variables and more. Right below you can see information about the characteristics for communication and devices related to this preset. It describes what type, or what kind of devices were communicating and what kind of communication they were involved in. On the left, you can see a filter menu. It is organized in a tree-like structure, which you can easily expand. This menu covers aspects for the device characteristics and their communication. Using this menu, you can start filtering on which type of communication, or which type of asset you are interested in. If you expand the structure, you can see many characteristics listed. Some of them are bold and have a count next to them. This is an indication that there are assets, or communications in your current view which relate to these characteristics. In this example, there were 4 secure web clients. Using the checkbox next to each menu item, you have 3 options. You can decide to ignore this filter criteria, then you would leave it blank. You could select it, like it has been done for the secure web clients. In this case, this filter would be inclusive. Or you could decide to exclude this filter. If you do that, you would exclude everything to which this criteria applied from your current preset. Once you have decided on the criteria you are interested in, you can examine the results and eventually save your preset. To do so, just click Save at the bottom of the page, and provide a name for your preset. Once you saved it, note that your active and currently shown preset name changed on the upper left-hand side. The data on the right changed as well, as per your selection in the filter menu. If you go back to Show All Presets, you can find the preset you just created. If you want to check on the data that complies to this preset at a later point in time, you just need to click on the preset panel. You can access presets and the data they provide also using the API of Cybervision in a programmatic approach. Thank you for watching this tutorial about using presets in the Cybervision Center.